Yo, what's up? My plan is to finish the fucking tic-tac-toe tutorial and get on with another fucking ass. What do you call that shit? Tutorial or fucking documentation, anything, and let's do this shit. And I'm starting it late, 7:30, cause I'm a fucking bitch, and all day I was out, and I came around 3, and did nothing. Yay! Fuck that shit. Okay, let's. I just type coding timer, or fucking something. What did I do? Coding timer, and this is the first signal. Then start this bitch. This is fucking okay. This is going back. Okay, tic tac toe tutorial. I was in here. The fucking 0/0. This is what we are gonna do. I know the fucking what do you call that shit? The concept of this, but uh, concept of this. So what does he do? Okay, he makes a new component. Calculate winner with squares. Okay, that takes squares. Const lines equals to bracket. This it. Like every possible winning strat is in here. This is a for loop that loops it. Okay, until uh this many times. Okay, I need to do this. Okay, he makes a new component. We are gonna make a new component in this bitch. Sign in, bro. I was signed in. What the fuck is you talking about, brother? What the fuck? Oh, sign in, bro. Okay, let's do this shit. Accept all for this new fucking component in here. Function. LCULED winner. We're gonna do this step by step because const lines equals to fucking array, bro. We need to, bro, loop through this, bro. Okay, prettier. Why is the prettier not working? Okay, cancel then, bro. Cancel this shit. Okay. Good shit. And then fucking that takes when you click this shit, and we need to compare this shit. Okay, that's good. And then next, okay, we need to, like, if this click on square click equals to handle click. Where the fuck is you, bro? Calculate if square exists, return. This is where, like, if we ain't doing this, we can change like x to o on the same fucking square. So this shit does well. Cons next square equals to square the slice. Okay, if x is next. Okay, got you, bruh. One click on handle. If you do like, we're gonna do this line by line. Okay. For loop for int I, we need to declare it, cause like 0, this is 0 index, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to 7, bruh. Less than equals to, or less than 8 because 8 will not be included in this bitch. So like in plus plus. Okay, what the fuck is this, an error? Okay, what the fuck is this? This said okay. Okay, for let, oh, and we did like fucking C in fucking classes, so I thought for loop and this was pretty much the same, but it is the same, but I forgot the value about it. No problem, bro. The problem. For let, we need to check that shit. So like, if like, um, if okay, we need to save this. Let fucking A comma B C. This is a fucking what do you call that? What is the statement called, bro? Argument or something? This like let A equals B types it, and if we do this, and A will store this, B will store this, C will store this. Gotcha, bro. Lines. Um. Lines. Okay, if you do this, bro. If A, okay, if x, we need to decide the winner. So like if A, we don't need anything, and this is a fucking comparison type shit, and B and C, ain't that right, bruh? um, what do we need to display, like return 0 or null? Okay, that's, and 0 and null is the same, and 0 is what we didn't see, but I want to set and set up, so that's good. What does he do? Lines. I okay, fuck, that's it. This like becomes, at first it's 0 and then 1 and 2. Like if we loop through this, it changes the value of I accordingly. So like I, this is 0 index, 1 2 3, it for 0 and then loop it back, and 1 and stuff like that, brother. Okay, and what do we need, bro? What the fuck? Squares. Oh fucking hell, we need to take from the fucking website, not from this. Okay. Okay. Okay, squares. Need to import a square argument as squares. Okay. Square dot A and square bracket B, squares bracket B, and squares bracket C. Then like like, can't we just do this, not a whole lot of this? Oh no, this needs to be true and type shit, bruh. Okay, square A, this need to be true in if statement, this all should be true, like type shit, bruh. I understand. Squares C, no, B called equals to, like, this need to be exactly the same. No fucking otherwise, like, if one is a string and string one equals to number one, doesn't becomes true, it becomes false. If it do like two equals to, it becomes like false. Nah, true is two equals to is like lenient, then equals to types it, and that's all. What do we return, bruh? Or return squares. I fucking hell, square a is this, what the fuck. Okay, cancel, try again, bruh. 0 assignment fail, what the fuck. Formatter, is this cool? Return 0, need to return null 0, same lines. Okay, fuck that. This is also true, but we're gonna do it industrial wise. Lines the length. Okay, that's good. When lines is less than this, then this equals to, and okay, that's pretty much done with this statement. And then know that it doesn't matter whether you define calculator before or after the board. Let's put it all at the end so that you don't have to scroll past it every time you edit your components. You will call calculator winners in the fucking board component handle click function to check if a player has won. You can perform this checking at the same time you check if a user has clicked the square that already has an X or an O. We did like to return early in case of both cases. So like okay, if square exists or calculate winner. Okay, return. Okay, if we win, then it doesn't let us to click it more. That's what this or is like. Either or this should be true. Like if this is true, then it doesn't need to check this. If this is true, then it's true. If it's false and this is true, then it is true, bruh. ALCULAT winner. If you do this, it runs immediately. If you do this, only if it is clicked, and this will run, bruh. You understand type shit. And this return square a like it's saying the fucking function return this value like equals to types it, and then next square is equals to splice. Okay, got you, bruh. Got you. To let the player know when the game is over, you can display text such as winner X or O. What the fuck is wrong with this, bitch? What is wrong with this bitch, bruh? What is calculate winner is a function, you're not calling it, bruh. If you are not calling it, conditional will always be truthy because function are truthy. Okay, got you, bruh. Okay, we ain't passing no squares value, bro. That's sq uars sq uars squares. Okay, squares. What the fuck is that, bro? Typo. It should be squares. Okay, there's a typo, bro. Squares. Squares typo, and what other you return to early inside the loop. Inside the loop. Okay, on the fucking should be outside this bitch. Mm, okay, return 0 else. Mm-hmm. Not do nothing, bruh. So that's it work, but to let them know when the game is over, you can display such as winner X or winner O. Okay, got you that you added a status section in the board. Okay, in the board component, the status will display the winner if the game is over. If the game is ongoing, you will display which key, which they. Okay, got you, bro. I didn't look it down there where the answer was, so I'm gonna do this my way, bruh. Got that, bruh? Okay, pretty. Make it pretty. So that's good. And then when handle click. No. Oh, do I need to do this in here? No, I can do this in here. Return square A. Like, can I do in here if where's the fucking end of this? A bronze winner equals to calculate winner comma square squares that equals to null in the fucking okay. Then calculate winner calculate winner squares winner winner what you gonna do, bruh? It full winner is fucking winner. The fuck? Why didn't they even He did better than me. If winner status equals to mm, winner plus winner plus wait the fuck up uh, winner winner else status equals ton plus squares. What happened to this? What will happen? Let me see. Return div. Okay, what I need to do is in return div status status object. Okay, squares is an object. Okay, got you, bro. How the fuck is a squares object? Okay, let me fucking trace it back. Okay, it's a fucking object or an array. Okay, is x is next if yes, then x the fucking hell x else then it's O's turn. The fuck? How the fuck am I getting this? Oh, I'm returning an object cause this is in this bracket. That make a lot of sense. Okay, where the fuck was that? Squares. Oh fucking hell, this is okay. Got you. Bracket is x x is next question mark x yes or else zero. Okay, got you, bro. Fucking, I thought. Okay, now we want to make this an history. History. Congratulations, you have it working tic tac toe. Good enough right now, but add time travel. This is the fucking final exercise. Let's make it possible to go back in time to the previous moves in the game. Store or history of move. If you want to mutate the array from the array, I thought of this. If you use slice to create a new copy of the squares array after every move and treat it as a immutable, into unchangeable or something. This will allow to store every pass. I need to make a new array for to store squares array. Is that right, bro? And navigate between the turns that have already happened. Um, into the bar square array in another array called history. Okay, got you, bro. I fuck with the idea, bro. Which you will store as a new state variable. Okay, got you, bro. Got you, bro. Got you. So fast move 0 0. Now X leaving the state up again. You will now write a new top level component called game to display your list of past moves. Okay, new component that where you will place the history state that contains the entire game history. Placing the history state into the game component will let you remove the squares state from its child component, and just like you lifted the state up from the square component into the board component, you will now lift it up from the board into the top level game component. This will give the game component full control over the board component and let it instruct the board to render previous turns from the history. From the square component to the okay. Board game. Okay, got you. Return game board. Okay, default. So board becomes a function. So it ain't default, bro. Not anymore. Fuck that shit. Okay, export default function game. Okay. Deep dot game. Okay, I need to fucking return. I forget this shit. Return. Okay, board. Div the board. Oh, dicks. Fucking hell. We are the board. Okay, that's good. Div. What another? Return game, bruh. Game. Game board. Game that board game board, and then okay board slash okay div dot game info okay, the history comes in here. What's a OL, bruh? What is an OL tag? Hey, fucking hell! Bro, my HTML is down bad, bro. I fucking used that shit too many times. Oh, UL, OL on the list. Fucking hell, brother. Okay. Oh, fucking hell! I didn't even put the mood in, bro. Okay, bro. Vibes. Game info, bro. Auto list. LI, bro. What the fuck you talking about? I don't fucking know this bitch. Okay. Now, what you wanna do is like, okay, we need to make stuff like this, bro. Where the fuck? Oh, okay. Stuff like this, but I don't know how, but know that you remove the expected for component here that there. Okay, gotcha, bro. True. Okay. Is next. Know that you remove something from the track with information. This is coming with me. This shit is coming with me. It is. doesn't work like that. The fuck? Law. Okay, got you there. Remove the way. History. Use the array 9 array fill. I need to look at that 9 array fill now. Okay. History that say history also use state array bracket bracket 9 the fill with null value fill with null. Now I want to see this console log history. Array of 9 said 0011. Okay, 001. That's it is cool. Then current square equals to history. The fuck? We can't do this. Can we? We need to change all this, bro. Isn't that right, bro? We want to read the last square array from the history. We want to read the last squares array from the history. Then we need to use state for this. We already have enough information to cover it being rendering. Next, create a handler place with an array with a single item. It itself is a 9 of itself is an array of 9 nodes. Okay, wait the fuck up. Okay. Cons current square equals history bracket. Oh fucking hell. Current square, like this is a fucking for the index, bro. It's street and street dot length because like 0 1 2 and length is like 1 2 3. That type of shit. So I understand this shit. Current square equals to history. Okay, in the current square where in which fucking in which we are is given by this. So like const square equals to history bracket history dot length minus 1 in history dot length like 9 because we have already 9 here in our bits. Okay, so that's to render the square from the primary you want to read the last square array. You don't need your server, you already have like Okay, good. Okay, that is kind of too smart for that. I wouldn't even have think about this stuff. Oh shit. Handle play. Here the handle play. You play inside the game local and get the ball. Function handle play next square. What the fuck is this next square, bro? Next square. Okay. Okay, that's board. We are fucking giving into this. X is next. X is next. True. So we don't need this. Right here. We're giving this to here. X is. What the fuck is he talking about? X is next. X is next. Goes to. X is next. And then. On play. Goes to. And play goes to. Current square. Square. Current square. On play and the play. Is it like X is next? Like, I'm so confused about this. X is next. Okay. X is next. Where the fuck is that shit then? X is next. Come on. I fucking. Bro, it is defined. I gave you shit, bro. Oh fucking, I didn't even. X is next. Come on. Come on. What the fuck you feeding me? Come on. Square. On play. On play and the play. Play. Handle play. Wait the fuck up, bruh. Function. Handle play. Handle play. Got you, bruh. Got you, bruh. I got you. Handle play. What the fuck is next square, bruh? Next square. Next square. Next square. What the fuck is next square? Next. Yeah, fucking. Next squares. Okay, we made this it. Okay, got you. The fuck is next squares? Well, next squares. Okay, next squares. The fuck copy. Next squares. The copy, brother. Next squares. And the play. And the play. And the play. And the play. The fuck and on play. On play. And the play. Next squares is the fucking copy of that bitch. Function need to operate the game stat to trigger or re-render, but you don't have set for a function that you can call anymore. Now you use the history state variable to store this information. You will want to update history by appending the fucking update square array as a new history entry. You also want to toggle X is next, just as board used to do. Okay. Reload. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, yes. Okay, this here is like copy. Make a copy of this exactly, and pass this with an add this, like this is an array. This is an array. This is an array, and make a fucking. Set history. Set history to like have history with next square, which is an array of the bits. Set is next to X is next. Okay. Set X is next to set X is next to like X is next. Okay, got that bitch in the pocket, brother. X is next. Bruh, hand play is not a function that is that so. Hand play, hand play. With the fucking board. Hand play. It takes fucking next squares, bruh. Hand play, next squares. Next squares. What the fuck is your problem, bitch? Let's see this. 54. Hand of play. I gave you this. Okay. History, you wrote history, you make but should be an array of both state. Fucking hell, what did I even do? So array of 9. Okay, got that shit in the bag, and then it will start like this. Typo is next. Look there, there's a fucking typo in my shit. Like always. This is next, and this is doesn't. Fucking bro, big bang theory. Fuck off right now. Fix your bold props are wrong. Don't pass prop like this. Right doesn't pass prop like this, but parameter is on play. Okay. On play. No play. Got that shit in the bag. Since you are ready to track your history, we are now displaying our list of cosmos to play your React and by button are regular browser objects. You can type them around to React array of history and state now. You need to transform the array of one array dot map. Why do we need to do this, right? We need to use a map to transform the history of moves into a name with the button on the screen and display a list of buttons to jump to pass move like that map. Move the history over the history of the component to function jump to next move. Okay, next move. It doesn't really make sense to me right now, but next move. What the fuck is the next move, bro? Oh, it makes sense. Oh, it makes sense. Next, like it's saving that shit. Next move is fucking. Where's that bitch? Where's that bitch? Fucking hell. Where is that shit? Okay. Next squares. What is the next move, bro? Moves equals history dot map. Moves equals okay, history dot map. Squares and moves. What the fuck is a move, bro? understand squares, but what the fuck is a bull? Oh, fucking index. I thought about this. One is an index, and another is a fucking square. Fuck. Fucking hell, listen. Is greater than 0. The description was here. But go to move. What can I do this though? Return fucking list. Oh, this. What the fuck you talking about, bitch? What the fuck is this problem, bro? Um, description. The button. Button. Description. Okay. Description. We'll do this, and then run immediately. Jump to index. Index. So, bro, that fucking React stuff was kinda messing with my fucking brain because of the naming convention and stuff. So I did it my own, bitch. Fuck you, bro. Okay, return this shit, move on the list. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Fucking move. Damn, what the fuck? Okay. But did this being low usually in the delivery? Developer tool, what the fuck? Each child in English should have unique key prop. Okay, unique key. Unique key section, okay. Bro, mine is like not working, what the fuck? Bro, how am I not fucking logged in? Bro, my account paused for a second and I need to like the fucking everything. Like I didn't even have YouTube, bro. What the fuck? Okay, that's it. What the fuck? Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Fix string initialization. Huh? Pop, 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 bruh. I think this will work, cause like, that ain't working. Who won? No one won, bruh. Bro, I could have won. 9, let's make it. and the make keys, brother. User ID. Dumb it down for me, brother. Dumb it down. Dumb it down for me. So many. Let's see what is a key. A key is a name tag for each item in the list. So React uses that name tag to remember which item is which. Why React need it? Imagine you saw this list. Alexa, then you change it to this. You can see move, but yeah, it's not even like key. Item zero change. See, item zero change. Okay, it get confused. Key see item zero change. Can keys will be this. If we give the button a key, open select will just move. Okay, why index? If we do like go index, string, something that never changed. Index added, that key, very important. This is correct key. Okay, got you, brother. In the tag throw game, each way is moves. Each customer has unique ID. In the middle, so it's safe to use move index as a key. In the game function, you can add the key as new key. If you reload the read on the game, move. say don't fix the button from the history, but I can only make move like a time the God move it doesn't let me, bruh. That's the problem. Your post is wrong, and you will create a favorite icon. Bruh, I just changed it so it could, bruh. You already passed inside the board, you ignore it and create new state. And so you have gained a row, you name crop on colon, you pass current square in the board, you roll current squares. Fucking hell, squares. Cut and paste that. When did I even do that? balik kita. Bro, this way fucking harder, bro. What the fuck was this? Okay, before you implement job 2, you need to the game company to keep track of it. And to do this, define a neutral variable called current move to false to 0. Once move is to set 0 current move. Current move to next move is fucking what? That's fucking so dumb. Cause while teaching, you need to fucking like make me understand. I don't know what the fucking next move is. I don't even know what the fucking that is, bro. What the fuck? This is such a fucking retarded fucking teacher, bro. Jump to where the fuck is jump to, bro? I need to see move jump to index got you. Jump to index, bro. You need to kind of tell me what the fucking that is. So current move to index. Okay, got you. Index move. Got you, bro. I said current. Said X is next. Okay, that's so when it is 0 divided by 2, a reminder of 2 is 0, and 1 doesn't equal to 0 to the false, then kind of good. Bracket X let's move divided by 2 That's the time and you will now you can handle something with when you click on square. If you go back in time, then you then make you move from that when you want to see the history of that work instead of having to spread of syntax in the history add another okay, I want that together like 1, 2, 3. If I go in here, then I want what the fuck? Okay, Google My Food can do again under play function which is called when you click on play. If you go back in time and then make or you move from that point, you only want to keep that the history up to that point instead of adding it to it. Okay, that's it. Like if I go in here and kind of the same with everything because you add all items in slice. Slice gel. What the fuck is that, bruh? Only 35 minutes? This is so fucking slow, bro. 1 hour. Does it not work? 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fuck? This doesn't work, I think. This is way too long. Kind of psychological trick like. Oh fuck. ChatGPT, brother. It is everything after the current name. This time means to everything after the current name. That's it. Whatever including one slice create a solid copy of part of an array, solid copy of new array that contain the same value straight up with the another immutable create or a new array instead of the modified big concept. Okay, this is like remember this shit. Remember this shit. Do everything after the color move. Like not in this, brother. Love. What the fuck? What the fuck are you having? Okay. Oh fucking hell, brother. Okay. I give up. Basic all this with React. Okay. So fucking handler play next square. With this slice part, bro. Already did that bitch. And okay. Handle play and then also copy salad copy of history, then 0 comma current no plus 1. It's like from this onward, from current. Fucking there, nothing. Oh fucking hell, I don't understand this. I don't fucking understand this bitch. The fuck? I don't really understand this bitch. Go back again to the old one. Must disappear, but okay. Okay, I got you guys. It looks like this, and you can go back to calling. Wait. Let me like type this shit and ask that motherfucker what does this even do? Like, this shit. Okay, history. History. Shit. Move to like the wait the fuck up. Wait the fuck up. Oh fuck. What I need to do is let's go from top to bottom. Okay, first is square. This is um, easy, and then we go to board. Bracket is next on play. Function handle click. The fuck. Function handle key. Click. Okay, got that. Got that join. Slice. Got that join. Okay, next. Okay, on next. On winner. Calculate. Winner. And okay, this is self-explanatory. What the fuck is that? If statement in this. So wasn't I eating? But it is what it is. So game. Okay, so history, history, so history, okay, current, commas, so current move 0, current squares, current squares, okay, current squares, current squares. history, current move, current move. Okay, the key line you changed is this. This is the line is the brain of the whole fucking paragraph feature. Current square equals to history. Current squares equals to history. Current move. Current square equals to history. Regular moves. Okay, I'm looking at this. Yeah, I'm looking at this. So history goes every state ever played. Okay, history. Okay. Like this and this. Okay, so the structure of the board. At the move. What is current move? Current move equals just a number tell which move in the history I display right now. Okay, got to show the board. See what line does. Go into the history area and grab the board that matches the current move. What is important is string minus length minus 1. Current squares. Okay, got you how round board. Look at this. Okay, remember how to use it. Okay, that's it. Okay. Derived value everything. State driven UI that's in the business state. Okay. Realizing. Okay, got you. Finally, really. So you may notice that access the given and false ranges, or in other words, if you know the value of you can always figure out what x should be. The noise is the boards of this state. In fact, always the dumping. fuck is that, bitch? Next is period. There it goes. Rewrite both of these two loops to make things hard coding me. Okay, this is it from me for now. Fucking hell, it really is a fucking psychological test, my nigga. So like, fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I'm gonna watch Big Bang Theory for now. And this is it for me. My brain's hurting kind of, and that's all. So, namaste. Goodbye.